Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your crypto compliance with Ledger easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Ledger website for the latest information on their products. Once on the site, navigate to the section dedicated to their security solutions. Identify the specific Ledger device you own or intend to purchase. Ensure your device is properly set up and updated to the latest firmware version. Download the Ledger Live application from the official website or your app store. Install the application on your computer. Connect your Ledger device to your computer or mobile device using the appropriate cable. Follow the on-screen prompts in the Ledger Live app to set up your wallet. Create a new wallet or import an existing one by entering your recovery phrase securely. In the Ledger Live dashboard, locate the Accounts tab to view your crypto holdings. To enhance compliance, enable the coin management feature within the app settings. Regularly review transaction histories and categorization options available in the app. Consider setting up alerts for transactions above a specified threshold to monitor activity effectively. Familiarize yourself with the security settings in the Ledger Live app to bolster protection. Look into third-party compliance tools that can integrate with Ledger for added oversight. Establish a routine for regular software updates and audits of your crypto transactions. Stay informed about regulatory changes in the cryptocurrency space to ensure ongoing compliance. Utilize educational resources available on the Ledger website to deepen your understanding of compliance practices. Consistently back up your wallet data to safeguard against loss or theft. With these steps, you can significantly improve your crypto compliance using a Ledger device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.